Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Karen begs police for warning after drunk driving kids home from wine tasting.
On August 3rd, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a driver suspected of driving under the influence.
This is my partner, Officer Ferrer. Okay. She's just looking for her license. She's trying to find it with a handful of credit cards.
Sorry, it's all my fault. And everything, honestly, is all my fault.
Hey, ma'am, so you mentioned going to Cooper's Hawk, and you said you had a wine tasting. About approximately how much did you have to drink?
I had a wine tasting and a martini.
And a martini?
Yes.
Okay.
How long ago did you have that?
And then I had dinner and I had an appetizer and dinner.
Okay. What did you eat for dinner?
I had a salad with shrimp, and I had a gluten-free bread with butter and
Okay. So a full dinner.
shrimp.
A full dinner.
Yeah.
Okay. How long ago did you have your wine tasting and your martini?
I usually try to space myself out so I can drive my children in a safe way.
Okay.
I think I'm very emotional right now
Okay.
because I have been calling my girlfriends because I have been in a very emotional state with my...
Sure. Got some marital issues going on.
I have, yes.
Okay.
That's
So-
why I think I'm very emotional right now.
So obviously our main concern is safety,
Yes.
right? And how everybody drives on the road, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So we're going to just make sure that you're safe enough to operate this vehicle because we can't leave it here, right? So do me a favor.
Can I park it?
Not right now. Do me a favor. Just stay here. See if you can find that insurance. And you can show it to my partner.
Yes,
Okay. We'll be right back.
Ma'am, can I just have you step out of the vehicle
Yes,
for now?
I will, but I would like to find you the picture of my insurance. If that would be
handle that later. Let's just.
acceptable first as my right as a human being to find you what you had kindly asked me to get for you.
We could worry about that later, but for right now, I just want to just conduct some tests with you, just to make sure that you're good.
Yes. You would like to conduct how much I have to drink. That's fine, and that's fine. I totally get that. That's fine, but I would like to just find the picture of the insurance card.
You can leave your phone in the car. It's fine.
I just want to find it.
I know, but please leave your phone in the car, okay?
Of course. Like I said.
Should I just do it in front of this Cooper's car? Okay, so we're going to step behind your vehicle for right now.
Takedowns on or no? Yeah, I leave the takedowns on.
Okay, can you just face it this way just so that the lights aren't all in your face right now? Okay, so I'm going to just check out your eyes right now if you want to just face me, just so the lights aren't all in your face. So could you put your feet together with your hands at your sides, so like you're going to stand like this, with your hands on your sides as well. Okay? While keeping your head still, follow the stimulus. My finger's going to be the stimulus. As I move it side to side, my finger is what you have to follow. Follow the movement of my finger with your eyes only. Keep following my finger until you are told the test is over. Do you understand the instructions?
Mommy! Yes, honey.
Come on, buddy. Hey, buddy. So right now, we're making sure your mom's good, okay?
So we're going to do just some walking exercises.
Sure.
So we're going to do one called the walk and turn. So put your arms down at your sides, and that'll be the starting position.
Can I have a jacket or a blanket? Because I'm shivering a little
Do you
bit.
have a jacket in the car?
I'm a little bit cold and I'm shivering.
Do you have one in the car?
I'm like shaking a little bit. I'm nervous and I'm
Do you
cold.
have a jacket in the
Answer the question. Damn. She keeps going on. The cops are already going to allow her to have one if she has one with her. You keep going on and on. If you want to put on a jacket, you could put on a jacket. You already full of it. Full of it, man. What does your marital problems have to do with you driving the kids drunk? Come on, man. We tired of the sob stories. take responsibility, accountability, man. You're done.
Nope, don't go in the car.
No.
No, but
Whoa. Don't make no subtle movements now. Hold on now.
no, but you
Might have
have
to
like
get
a
you
blanket
together.
or like something. Because I'm
You
like,
won't be able to. We need to do these tests first.
I'm just like a little bit shivering cold because I'm nervous, so I'm shaking a little bit. So I just want you to know that I'm shivering and cold and nervous
That's
a
fine.
little
Well,
bit. Okay.
all of that is taken into consideration.
Okay. So just know that. Okay. I'm nervous, shaking, and cold.
Everybody's nervous in these work.
And I have very little body fat. I always get cold.
I understand.
And
We've done these.
And my son is over there, very nervous. And I'm very nervous. Okay, so I just want you to know that I may not be completely steady because not because I'm drunk, because I am the fucking freaked out.
Everybody's nervous when they do these tests.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Everybody's
I just want
nervous,
you to know that.
and we do these tests all throughout the winter too. So we're used to seeing.
Yeah,
people
I know,
sick,
but
okay?
not with somebody that's 105 pounds, usually, because everybody's a fat usually. Okay. All right.
So
I told you that I'm not good, okay?
So I
already told you that I'm not good, okay? So
ma'am,
I told you I had a bad night. I told you that please don't put me in prison. I told you, please have mercy on me. I told you.
ma'am, so these things happen.
They do.
We're going to allow you an opportunity to use PBT. It's a preliminary breathalyzer. So you get to blow into it. Do you want to blow into a breathalyzer right now?
I would prefer not to, but if you would need me to, I would prefer you to give me some sort of
What helps is that
I would prefer to give me some sort of a warning or some sort of a.
It helps us determine that there's not a medical situation happening. That's what we're asking.
I would just prefer you to tell me that not to ever do this again, and I will never ever do it again, and I promise.
Well, we can talk about that.
You think that you should have taken an Uber today?
Yes.
Why do you believe that?
Because I probably should have not had a wine visit, but honestly what happened is I had a reservation at 8 and my husband fell asleep and I went early and I went to a wine tasting instead of and then we were there for my reservation early and then they said, oh, go have a wine tasting before. And I'm like, oh, okay, well, I'll do that. And I didn't even mean to do it, to be honest. I really just wanted.
Oh, you didn't mean to drink the wine. Oh, okay. All right. Right. That makes sense. Yeah, I didn't even mean to do it. What, you didn't mean to accept the wine when they offered it to you? What are you talking about?
To go have my dinner, but they shooed me off to have a wine tasting first. So I didn't even mean to go and have the extra drinks before dinner, I swear to God. But they're like, oh, well, and then I'm like, I kept asking, I'm like, well, is our table ready? And they're like, no, just keep going, keep having the wine tasting.
So,
you know,
so this
so I didn't mean to, like, even have the extra drinks.
Miss, I would hate to make a mistake.
No, it's all my fault because I obviously had the drink, so I'm obviously the one at fault. You know, and I'm the one that got into the vehicle, and I am the one. So you are you can incarcerate, you can do whatever you want with me.
I would hate to make a mistake, so all I'm asking is this helps us make sure we're not making any mistakes.
But I don't really want to blow into that, and I would like to know what my rights are first before I have to do that.
It's a yes or no. I just need a yes or no.
Mine is a no.
Okay. Yes, no? Okay, so ma'am, due to everything that we've seen through all these tests, I do believe
assume the possession.
You are under the influence. You're driving while you're under the influence.
Yes.
So you are going to have to be placed under arrest. So can you turn around, ma'am?
Are you going to arrest me?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. And then what?
We're gonna go to the station, okay? And then we're gonna. If you've never had it,
Can you call me at the
ma'am.
first or something?
Ma'am, we're going to allow you to call him once we get there.
call him at the station.
What are you gonna do with my vehicle?
It does have to be
What
towed.
about my children?
Okay.
Wait, can we do?
Please,
what if I blow in? Do you not arrest me?
No, that's not how this works.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
No. Okay.
Ma'am, you are.
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
Can I get my bag?
We'll get everything you need.
Okay.
My
Put your
bag.
hands behind your back.
Please be
Put your
kind
hand.
with me.
I am being kind.
I'm not a bad
I am being kind. Put your hands behind your back. This is just gonna make things worse when you put your hands behind your back.
I just need my bag.
Ma'am.
And this is my phone.
Ma'am, put your hand behind your back. Thank you very much.
I just need my bag. And can I have my bag?
We'll get everything you need.
No, you're not.
We'll get everything you need.
My bag and my phone.
Okay. We'll get everything you need. Okay? Nope, stand up. Ma'am. Okay.
You're gonna have to lift me. You're gonna have to fucking carry me.
Miss, I just need you to understand. I just need you to understand something.
I don't care. You're gonna have to fucking carry me.
This is called passive resisting, and
It is. That's what it is.
it's going to be another charge.
I don't care.
That was not the rightest moment.
But you're gonna have to get my bag too.
Miss, I
Everyone in custody could get 20.
We're gonna walk back to our car, okay?
Matron search.
You don't know what it's like. You don't know my life at all.
I'm not saying I do.
She's meet us at the PD.
No.
So we're just doing.
You think I'm a bad person?
No, I don't at all.
I didn't even drink a lot.
You're checking.
I really didn't.
I'm checking your.
I have nothing. What are you gonna fucking
I'm just
touch
making
my
sure.
boob?
I'm not
You
touch-
touch my boob, I'm gonna fucking kill
I
you.
am just
Ma'am,
I'm
that is
checking.
enough.
I am checking your.
That is
Don't
absolutely.
touch my boob.
I did.
Ma'am.
Did not.
He always touched my
That
boob.
is absolutely
No,
enough.
He touched my
That
boob.
is enough.
He touched my boob.
He
I
is
did not.
searching you.
He touched
He
my
has
boob.
to search you before he goes in the car.
My boob.
If you keep doing this,
No,
you're going
but-
to be charged again.
No,
That is enough.
but he cannot.
He is searching
He's
you.
not legally touched on to touch my boob.
I touched
Ma'am.
the side of your.
Ma'am,
Okay, that's great.
He touched
Stop.
my boob.
stop. Everything is on camera. All of this is on camera.
Okay,
I'm
don't
gonna.
that
touch
is
my
enough.
I am gonna guide you. I'm
can
gonna.
search me anywhere,
Ma'am,
but
I
don't
will
touch
guide
my
you through
boob.
what I'm doing so you understand what I am doing and why I am doing it. So I am
Don't
just
touch my
checking.
boob.
I am just checking your bra band to make sure that you do not have anything tucked in into
Don't
your bra band.
touch my boob.
I will not touch your boob, ma'am. There's nothing in there. I can't see anything else.
Okay.
On anything.
You're good?
I just made sure she didn't have anything.
Articulate that there's no firearms or anything.
I had
I have no fucking fire.
I just haven't done
Unlock
that.
the car. Unlock the car.
I got it.
Behavior of you screaming at us is not going to help
If
you.
a man touches your boob, I'm sorry.
Ma'am, we've been doing this job a long time.
I know.
This
If
is not
a man
inappropriate.
touches your boob-
We search everybody the same way.
I know, but
Everybody.
if a man touches your boob, you
Ma'am.
can't.
You cannot scream at us. You cannot resist.
If a
We are
man
not
touches your
touching you
boob,
inappropriately. Please get in the car.
Excuse me.
Get in the
he
car.
just touched my boob.
Everything is on camera. Please sit in the car.
Are you gonna taser me?
No,
This
ma'am.
is my flashlight. Please sit in the car.
Can I
You watch
have
your
my
head.
bag, please?
Sit in the car.
I need my bag.
Ma'am, sit
I
in the
need
car.
my bag. I
Ma'am.
please need my bag.
Yep, I'm grabbing it right now. There you go.
I need my bag, please.
in the car.
I need my bag.
I'm starting to understand why she got some of these why she got some issues, man. She's nuts. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, on one hand, if you've never been through that process, being Papheiros and stuff like that, I can understand the freak out or whatever. But there's a right way to go about it and there's a wrong way. Just shouting like that is not, come on, man. They're going to search you, whether it's a guy or girl. If a girl is not available, they try to typically get a girl, but if they don't have any girls available, guys can search women. So get over it. You know what I'm saying? Get over it. If you're a woman and there's a guy cop, he can search you. So it is what it is.
Sit
I
in
need
the
my
car.
bag.
We have an
You want
officer.
to
I
get charged
please
again.
need my bag.
You're going to get another charge.
I please need my bag.
Sit in the car.
I please need my bag.
He is grabbing your bag right now.
Thank you very much. I didn't do it.
10-4, my name's Officer Sykes. My badge number is 103.
Who the hell are these random guys?
Dispatch number? I don't know off the top of my head. I know mine though. It's 102.
I'm Officer Ferrer, 136. Yes.
The woman was charged with a DUI, child endangerment, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, that stuff is just the fact that you got to answer to random people is just insane. People that don't even have anything to do with the case. That whole thing that happened at the end didn't have anything. You're way back, not even like who are you? You know, you just sit back and watch the show, okay? You're not even involved. Oh boy. Drinking and driving, man. Can't be doing that stuff. Crazy. She said, I didn't even mean to. What do you mean you didn't mean to? You didn't mean to take the wine when they offered you some wine? It's a wine tasting. You get to try different wines. I didn't mean to. What do you mean? You didn't mean to get in the car and start driving after that? What part didn't you mean? I'm not understanding it, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.